Hey guys, this is our ABC writing tablet, page 59 and 60. All right, we are working on the letter F this week, and so we are going to practice writing them. All right, so our lowercase f is a teenage letter. It's going to be in the upstairs and the downstairs. All right, so it's going to be a candy cane with a push across, 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 candy cane with a push across. The capital F is going to be a pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, pull down, push across, push across. Circle the objects that begin with the f sound. So let's look at fork. Do you hear the f sound at the beginning of fork? Yes. Next you have a hammer. Hammer. No, so we're not going to circle that. Next you have a flower. Flower. Do you hear the f sound in flower? Yes. Next you have a fan. Fan. Next you have milk. Milk. No, I don't hear the f sound. Next we have a fish. Fish. Do you hear the sound in fish? Yes. All right, let's flip over on the back. Let's trace the capital F's, and then we're going to write these blends. Pull down, push across, candy cane with a push across. Pull down, push across, candy cane with a push across. Pull down, push across, candy cane with a push across. Now let's write the blend if, candy cane with a push across, pull down with a dot. Fa, candy cane with a push across, a ball up and down. I, ah. Now let's trace the blend you hear in the word. This is a fan. Candy cane push across, ball up and a pull down. Ish, fish. I. Fa, fe, I, fi, fa, fa,